I wasn't watching the clock closely enough. That's what happens when you get so wrapped up in this stuff. But anyway, you probably may not be quite so wrapped up in it. This right here, let's look at how many carbons we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's going to be octene, octine, right? O-C-T-1-Y-N-E. But what we have is we have a methyl group here and a fluoro group here. And this is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 4 methyl, 4 fluoro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 1 octene. Right? So it's going to be 4 methyl, 4 fluoro, oct-1-ene, right? OCT-1-YNE. Okay, this one right here is going to is a little different. What here you just have chlorine, and you have a methyl group right here, right? So you could have this as 1 methyl, 2 chloro, ethene, right? Here what you have is this group right here, and you've got, and this is your long chain would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and you would count from this way to make this the second one. So this would be 2 methyl butane, right? 2 methyl butane. And here you've got 2 right here and 1 right there of the methyl groups, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's pentane. But you have 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. Okay? And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's butane. And this is an OH, so that's an alcohol group. So that is going to just be 2-butanol. 2-butanol. This right here is an ether, right? You've got a ethyl group here, and you've got a butyl group here, right? So this would be ethyl, butyl, ether, right? Ethyl, butyl, ether. You could also call it butyl ethyl ether. Either one of these on either side. This right here, you've got an ethyl, and here you've got a propyl. So this would be ethyl propyl ether. This would be methyl propyl ether. Now we get into some reactions. When you oxidize an aldehyde, what happens? You form the carboxylic acid. So this is going to be CH2, CH2, C, double bond O, bond OH, right? This is going to, an aldehyde becomes a carboxylic acid. When you have an alcohol and you oxidize it, it becomes an aldehyde, right? Because this right here is on the end one. If instead the alcohol is on a second one and oxidized, this would become a ketone, right? And then if you have this right here, a ketone, I'm sorry, an aldehyde with an R group, what you would end up getting here would be a ketone as well. And if you do it on this right here, you would end up with an ester, right? This is where it would react. Okay, and that's the end of the ones that we have here. The last ones were just some fun exercises to confirm that you understand how to name them and what type of reactions you're going to get depending upon what the different conditions are, oxidizing or heating or with an acid or whatever. Okay, so anyway, that ends this one. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to any questions that you might have.